Hey guys, Black99K here, back with another video. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Digimon Metal Garurumon from Bandai.
Oh, looks sick, man.
I actually pre-ordered this quite a long time ago and it just arrived today. So I'm super excited to unbox this thing. I normally get these when I consider them to look super cool, and I mean, this is cool as hell. Alright, so of course I had to get it. Now this is a figurized standard amplified Metal Garurumon, which means, for those of you that do not know, that means that the characteristics or features of Garurumon here will be changed or amplified in some way while keeping its original design intact, something like that. So yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, let me give you guys a tour of the box first. As usual, we got the front here with Metal Garurumon's picture. This art is amazing. The box art on these things are usually very amazing, so this one's cool as hell. We got the sides with his pose as well. Back has nothing. This other sides has a picture of the model kit after it's been built. Same thing on the other side. So yeah, very beautiful box. The box art is super nice. Alright, so I'm done building Metal Garurumon. Here is the body with his wings. Pretty cool, the wings can move. So yeah, pretty neat. We got his 2 back legs. We got his 2 front legs. And of course we have the head. And the jaw is movable. You can open the jaw if you want. Very cool. So yeah, let's put him together. And voila! Here we have Metal Garurumon in all its glory. Now this, I really enjoyed building this. I had more fun building this than the usual Gundams I build. And voila! Here we have Metal, and voila! Here we have Metal Garurumon, which looks superb. I had fun building this. I normally don't have so much fun building a Gundam. Well, it's not really a Gundam, but it is a Gunpla, so yeah, maybe because it's the first time I've built a 4-legged Gunpla, maybe. But yeah, it looks amazing. You can move the head, you can of course fold up the wings, you can move the legs, you can move the tail, you can move the waist. It's very movable. And quality is amazing as always. So yeah, here goes Metal Garurumon Figure Rise Standard Amplified version. If you guys liked the video, leave a like and hit that sub button. I'll be back with more Gunplas in the future, that's for sure, because I do have a Gundam left to build. So yeah, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do a video on it as maybe I'll do a video on that as well. Guys, take care, stay safe, and peace.